Oh, hello viewers. Now to install the link of Mavis Beacon 20 and credit to Mavis Beacon 20 to install the link so that you can then start teaching yourself how to type fast. Then when you click on the link, it will bring you to this pop-up. Then you check for this, which is download. And when you click on download, to open another tab for it to download, then you say download anyway. Then to be downloading, you check it here, you scroll that it's already downloading. So you wait for it to download. After completing the download, then you start installation. So let me just hold on, then I get back for the installation. Download has finished now. So you click on here, then you click on the folder. Now you can see the file. This is the file, is a zip file. The zip file, then you right click. After you right click, if you want to know if it's a zip file, you double click it. You double click it like this. Can you see it opens the file? Then you get here. But to install it, you need to unzip it so that code can be installed. So right click on it and extract the file, extract all. We extract now. We extract all inside the download. So you have the file here. So you can double click it. Then you double click this is the installation file. Can you see install Mavis Beacon Platinum 20? Now double click it. When you do now you have the double click it, then you click on next. Then you click on accept the terms, then you click next, then you click next, then you click. Then the installation is in progress. Then you can run your Mavis Beacon. You could have it on your desktop, so you can double click on it to run it. You double click on it to run it. That is it. Then finish.